Okay, say, Carlo, say sorry to Yana. Carlo, say sorry to Yana. Carlo, don't hurt Yana, okay?
Carlo!
Ina, let Carlo borrow. Carlo, you say sorry to Yana. You say sorry to Yana.
Where did Carlo hurt you? To the car. Mommy was getting up. And where? And where did he hit you? Where? Mommy was getting the shower. Here? No, right here. With his hand.
Oh.
Are you gonna send it to Mommy? And then you bring down the Yeah. When I'm going here next time, I won't let my brother go.
No. Be kind to your brother.
Let's go again.
You're the ate?